Good evening. Are you hearing me properly? Hello. Are you hearing me properly? Okay. So today I'm going to discuss a practical example. Consider first a practical problem which I already given to you. Yes, Pritam, good evening. Shashwato, good evening. Okay, thank you. Okay. Are you hearing me? Now is it clearly audible or not? Okay, now fine. Thank you. Orko Prabhu, good evening. So I just write the example, a problem which I already given to you. Yes, Shashwato. Problem one is having a doubt. I discuss this problem. Okay. 6. I just write the problem first, then I discuss. 6 boys and 6 girls are ranked below on the basis of their performance in a mathematics test. Do you find any association between sex and performance? Assume that this is the information in ranking with respect to Shashwata, this is not right again. This is not need to write again. Okay, I, this is for me only. Okay, uh, in ranking with respect to sex, boys are considered superior to the girl. And this is the series 1, 6. and this is series 2 rank. So first I apply Spearman rank correlation. Since I see that this is series 1, 6 is a series 1, and according to the assumptions, we see that boys are superior to the girl. So boys are superior to the girl means since boys are considered superior to girl means the rank of boys are lower than rank of girls. That means since here we see that 6b, b means boys, 6 boys occur. So this is a tie of length 6. Okay. So if you, since there is a tie of length 6 for boys, the average rank, I put average rank for B. So that means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 divided by 6. This is the average rank for the boys, because there is a, in series 1, there are two values B and G, and there are two, that means there is a two ties, each of length 6. So first for boys, there is a tie of length 6, and so I put the average rank for boys. The average rank is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 by 6. So it is the average rank for boys. So this is nothing but a 6 plus 7 by 6 into 2. That means 3.2, 3.5. So instead of B, I place here for series 1 3.5, 3.5, and then I leave the place for G here, again 3.5, again 3.5, then leave this place for G, then 3.5, leave this place for G, again 3.5, this is for G, this is for this place for G, this place for G, this place for G, this place for G, again 3.5, and last one G. Okay, so these are the average rank for the boys. I denote this is series 1, and corresponding series 2, this is 2, 2, 4, 5. This rank is already given. then 9.5, 9.5. Okay. Now another tie of length 6, this tie for girl. So average rank for girl is 7 plus, because for first 6 boys I already consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for 6 girls I consider 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 plus 11, 12, and average of this number divided by 6. So it is equal to, so 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. If you add all this thing, I think it is 9.5. Am I right? Please tell me. Shashwat, quickly. Then I place 9.5 as the average rank for girl. Please tell me, am I right? Is it 9.5 or is it right 9.5? Please tell me quickly. 9.5, just replace 9.5, 9.5, 9.5. Okay. Now for series 2, the corresponding ranks are, this is 2, 6.5, 6.5, 8, then 11, next 12. Please tell me the average value of 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11 by 12, 11 plus 12 by 6 is 9.5, or is it 9.5? Please tell me. You take so much time. Here n is 12. So n into n plus 1 by 2 divided by the n into n plus 1 by 2 minus 6 into 7. 6 into 7 is nothing but a sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay. Yes, sir. Sure. Thank you. So just see that value. This is 12. That is 6 into 13. 6 into 7. That means 6 into 13 minus 7 is 5. That is 30. So please check it. I think I did a mistake. So sharp 9.5 is 0. Okay. Yes. Yes, sir. 9.5. Thank you. So it is correct. So this is the procedure. I get two series 1 and series 2 as follows. Now I recall the Spearman rank correlation for tie cases. So according to the formula, we know it is equal to, I denote Spearman rank correlation R in suffix capital R. I already mentioned this thing in my previous video. This is equal to n square minus 1 by 12 minus Tu plus Tv by 2 minus 1 by 2n sum over di square divided by n square minus 1 by 12 minus Tu whole to the power half n square minus 1 by 12 minus no Shayok. Okay, I will check. Okay. n square minus 1 by 12, 3, where tu equal to sum over j from 1 to s kg cube minus kg by 12n, where k1, there are s ties for series 1 of length k1, k2, ks respectively. So here, according to this problem, for series 1, s is equal to 2 and k1 equal to k2 equal to 6. Agree? Please tell me. Yes and no. And then tu equal to 6 q minus 6 by 12 n. N is again 12 here because total number of pairs is 12. So for first tie, for the second tie, so tu equal to this, which is equal to please tell me the value of this. I think this is 2.9167. Please tell me the value. And for series 2, and TV equal to, thank you Shashwato, and please check the calculation of TU. This is equal to j from 1 to t kj dash q minus kj dash by 12n, where there are t ties for series 2 of length k1 dash, k2 dash, kt dash respectively. So in this 9167, yes sir, Shayok, thank you. According to Shayok, it should be 2.9167. Thank you. K1 dash, K2 dash, KT dash respectively. So for series 2, T equal to, this is the one tie of length 3, another tie of length 2, another tie, this and this, again it is a length 2. So T equal to 3, one tie K1 dash whose length 3, that is 2 to 2, and another tie K2 dash, which is length 2, which contains 6.5 and 6.5, and another tie K3 dash, whose length again 2, contain 9.5 and 9.5. So therefore, PV equal to 3Q minus 3 by 12 into 12 plus 2Q minus 2, 12 into 12 plus 2Q minus 2, 12 into 12. So please tell me the value of TV quickly. I think it is 0.25. Please check and tell me, is it right or not? Now compute DI. DI is difference between series 1 minus series 2. Series 1 minus series 2. And 3.5 minus 2, that is 1.5. This is again 1.5. 9.5 minus 2, that is 7.5. 3.5 minus 4 equal to 0 minus 0.5. 3.5 minus 5 is minus 1.5. 9.5 minus 6.5 is 3. 9.5 minus 6.5 is 3. 9.5 minus 8, this is 1.5. 3.5 minus 9.6, it is a minus 6. 9.5 minus 11, this is minus 1.5. 3.5 minus 9.6, this is minus 6. 9.5 minus 12, this is minus 2.5. So please check these DIs are correct or not. So please tell me the value of TV. According to my calculation, it is 0.25. Do you get same value or not? Did you get same value? Please tell me. Shayok, Shashwat, Orko, Prabhu, Pritam, Annesha, please tell me quickly. Please tell me. Now compute summation di square. I from 1 to n is 12. So summation I from 1 to 12 di square. So please, okay. Shumon says yes sir, thank you. Shashwat also say yes sir, 0.25. Sharnabha also gets same value. Thank you everyone. So it is now 0.25. Now please tell me summation I from 1 to 12 di square, that is 1.5 whole square plus 1.5 whole square, 7.5 whole square minus 0.5 whole square plus minus 1.5 whole square plus 3 square plus 3 square plus 1.5 whole square plus minus 6 whole square plus minus 1.5 whole square plus minus 6 whole square plus minus 2.5 whole square. According to my calculation, I get 164. Please check. Is it right or not? Please tell me. Now put this value in the formula, that is small r in suffix capital R. N square is n is 12, so 12 square minus 1 by 12 minus tu according to Shayok 2.9167 plus TV 0.25 divided by 2 minus 1 by 2 into 12 summation di square. According to my calculation, this is 164. So please do quickly. Summation di square, 12 square minus 1 by 12 minus tu is 2.9167, and then 12 square minus 1 by 12 tv is minus tv is 0.25. So 0.25. So please do quickly. Then tell me the R in suffix capital R, that is Spearman rank correlation. Please do it. Please do it quickly. Okay, Shumon says 164. Thank you, Shumon. Then tell me, Shumon, R in suffix capital R. According to my calculation, I get this value. Yes, sir, Shahrukh, thank you. But you please tell me summation di square, Shahrukh, and then compute R in suffix capital R. According to my calculation, R in suffix capital R is 0.3416. Thank you, Shayok. So please tell me R in suffix capital R. Shayok. According to my calculation, I got this value 0.3416. This means this imply, yes, Shashwato, then do R in suffix capital R. Ornisha, what about Ornisha? Are you there? Please tell me the value. So according to, so please tell me the value R in suffix capital R. Please do it quickly. Please do it quickly. Please do it quickly. Shayok. So please do it quickly. Shayok, Shashwato, Swarnabh, what about Swarnabh? Sumon. Orko Prabhu. Are you hear me? So please tell me. Okay, thank you, Shayok. According to Shayok and my value of up to 2 decimal place, my calculations as Shayok are same. Okay, thank you. Orko Prabhu, I think you get a little small error because out of 3, 2 are same, 1 is different. That means, okay, Swarnabh also belonging to our class. So now it is 3, 1. Okay, Orko, no problem. You can check your calculation. Huh? So after the class, okay. So I think it is 0.3416 and whatever 0.332. This means there are, this implies there is a positive association between sex and performance but the strength is not strong. Strength is not good. Okay. So this is the conclusion. If you compute Spearman rank correlation using this data, you get 0.3416 or approximately 0.3. So this means this is not a strong good correlation between these two variables, sex and performance, and but the situation is positive. Okay. So can I wrap this portion? Please tell me. I think you already write all this thing. Okay. So please tell me, can I wrap this portion? I think I can wrap this portion only. Yes, thank you, Arko Prabhu. Yes, sir, Shayok. Okay. Pritam. But Pritam, are you late? But because I didn't get your response. Shashwata, I receive your answer. 0.3416. Oh, okay. This is Swarnabhu. Shashwata. Thank you, Shashwata. So that imply Orko Prabhu, there is a small error in the calculation of Orko Prabhu. Okay, please check calculation of Orko Prabhu. Okay, after the class. So now I consider another rank correlation, that is Kindle tau. So Kindle tau since now consider the total score. Already, if you look at series 2, this is already written in increasing order. Okay. So this is written in increasing order. And since but I didn't receive the answer from you, why? Only Swarnavo, Prabhu, Shayok, Sumon, and Swarnavo, they respond, but you didn't. Why? Please respond. Since boys are considered superior to girl, then total score, I already mentioned that. Please listen carefully. First, one of the series, one or two, first we arrange this series in increasing order. That is in natural form. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Or if it is tie occur, then we increasing form. Okay, which I already observed in series 2. This is already done for us. No need to arrange series 2 here, because it is already arranged. Then next job is we arrange another series accordingly. Okay, we already knew this thing from our previous class. So since here we do not do this thing because already this data set, this portion is already done, because if you look at the series 2, this is in arranging increasing order, that is rank. And we have information. The information is that boys are considered superior to the girl. That means if you look at B, you consider B, first B, and look at the right hand side of B. Okay, thank you. But response, Pritam, I didn't get your response. Thank you. So please listen carefully. Don't write anything at this moment. Okay. Please look at B and first you consider the B and look at the right hand side of B and count number of G of the right hand side of B. Why? Because I consider boys are superior to the girls. So I assign 1 if x greater than y. X is a number, x is a B. If you follow the second class, for example, suppose 2, 4, 3, 5, 1, 2. According to our, this is suppose series 1. Then it is series 2. It is in natural order. So we calculate total score as follows. Just for this is the the procedure of calculating total score, which I already discussed. Just I recall this thing again. If you look at 4 and then consider the values right hand side of 4, if the values less than 4, I consider 1, otherwise -1. You see that 3, 1, 2 are less than 4, so it contributes, these are contributes in total 3, and 5 is greater than 4, it contributes 1. So that means this 2. And if the tie is occur, suppose there is another term, for example, there is a tie case. Suppose instead of 3 3, there is a tie, because we are discussing in tie case only 3.3, 3.3. So if these two values, if these are same values, that means the tie is occur of length 2. So I consider the average rank, that is 4 plus 3 divided by 2, which gives 3.5, 3.5. So consider 3.5 and look at the right hand side of 3.5. You see that 3.5 things appear. So you didn't consider this. You consider those number which is either greater than or less than. So 5 is greater than 3.5. So it contributes -1, and 1, 2, which are less than 3.5. These are contribute in total 2. So the total score for 3.5 is 1. Again 3.5, you consider 3.5, you get 1, and so on. This is the procedure. I already discussed this thing. So here, if you look at B and consider the symbol which is occur right hand side of B, you just consider the number of G's, because you didn't consider B, because B are same things. So the number of G in the right hand side of this B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So total score for this B is 6. Again consider the second B and count the number of G's right hand side of B. This is again 6. Now consider G. And since again, see, look at boys is considered superior to the girl. So that means we count number of B's. These B's for each B contribute -1 because G is less than B. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4B contributes in total -4 plus. Now look at this B. Number of B's, number of G's, right hand side of B is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it is this for this B. It should be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please check. It is 5 -5. It contributes -5. Then this B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again -5. And similarly, then G, number of B's in the right hand side of this G 1, 2. It contributes 2 because B is greater than G. Sorry, B is greater than, I think there is some mistake. Okay, please check. I recalculate this. For B, for this B, number of G in the right hand side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then for this B, number of right hand side, number of G's in the right hand side of this B, this is again 6. Okay, for G, number of B's right hand side of this G, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. It contributes -4. Now B, number of G's right hand side of this B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it contributes 5. For this B contributes again 5. Now this G, number of these G is -2, so it contributes in total -2. Similarly, this G, this is -2. This G, this is again -2 plus this B, number of G is 2, so it contributes 2. Then G, this is -1, again +1 for this B and G. Okay, so these are the total score. Please tell me if you have any problem. Well, see that you consider only if your number is B, if your symbol is B, and you look at the right hand side of B, then you only consider G and count the number of G's. Now this number or total number of G's gives the total contributes of B for this corresponding symbol B. Again, I repeat this thing. This B, for this B, or consider the first B, you look at the right hand side of B, count the number of G's in the right hand side of B, that is 6G, because boys are considered superior to the girl, so this contributes +6. Again, second symbol is again B, so that is the number of right hand side of B is number of G's in the right hand side of B is again 6, and so on. And For third symbol G, count the number of bees which are right hand side of third G, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4. The total score is -4 because boys are considered superior to the girl. So now tell me the total score is 6 plus 4 minus 4. So please tell me the total score. According to Shayok's, this is 14. So please tell me. And according to my calculation, this is again 14. So please tell me what is Shayok and me is 14. Please Sumon tell me, Pritam, please tell me, Shashwat tell me, Orko Prabhu tell me, Sharnavo tell me, so what is the total score? So now consider the Kendall formula. Unushwa 13. Why 13 Unushwa? No, please don't delete the comment. Unushwa, please tell me why 13. No problem, please tell me why you get 13. Unushwa, tell me one by one. No hurry. Please rectify yourself or rectify us. Only Shayok, Shumon say 14. So we, Shumon and Shayok, the calculation of all our, we receive same calculation, that is same value, that is 14. Okay. So Unusha, it is my mistake. Please tell me the mistake. Please tell me the mistake. Just write. Please tell me the mistake. If you tell your mistake, then we discuss this thing here and clear our doubt. Okay. Please tell me your mistake. Which is your mistake? Meanwhile, I consider. Please write Unushwa. I am waiting for him. It is your. Please tell me the mistake. Why did you? What is your wrong? Marco also gets same value 14. Please tell me. Just you didn't sum these values. According to my opinion, this is this. Did you get individually these values? 6, 6, minus 4, 5, 5, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, 2, minus 1, 1, or different? Please tell me. Please tell me individually. Don't add these values. According to my, I got 6, 6, minus 4, 5, 5, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, 2, minus 1, 1. Please tell me if you have any doubt. Please tell me individually. You please compute individually every contributions, then add. So if you receive different value, no problem. We need to discuss. Okay, we need to discuss. So please compute individual score and then add up. If you get same values, fine. If you do not get same value, again it is fine. We need to discuss, then settle. Okay, so don't take your time. Don't do just add this value. According to my calculation, I received these values. It may be wrong. Okay, please tell me. Please tell me, did you get same values or not? Unusha, please tell me. Don't add this value. Are you agree with me? If you consider just first value, first symbol B, then corresponding this first symbol, the total score is 6. Are you agree with my argument? Yes and no. Please tell me. I wrote +2 by mistake. Why you write this +2? Please tell me where. for 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 which positions you write +2. Just mention the position. 11th position, 10th position, 9th position, 8th position. Please tell me the position. So please tell me, are you agree with me? Anushka says yes, sir. Please tell me, Pritam, Suman, Orkur Prabhu, Shayok, Shashwat, Farnabo, please tell me, are you agree with my argument? According to my argument, since boys are considered superior to the girl, so if I consider the first B, according to the first B, number of G, right hand side of B is 6, because boys considered superior to the girl, that means for first B, it contributes 6 in total. Yes, sir, my set is exactly same as you. Shashwat sir, thank you, Shashwat. So please tell me, Orko Prabhu. Yes, sir, I agree. Thank you, Orko Prabhu. So please respond, okay? No problem. Because this is your learning stage. So we need to discuss. Shuman say yes, sir. Thank you, Shuman. So now I consider, okay, pick up. Thank you. So now I consider Kendall tau or tie case. According to the Kendall tau, the formula is total score by n into n minus 1 by 2 tu dash whole to the power half. Shai, thank you. N into n minus 1 by 2 minus tv dash whole to the power half. So total score is 40. Here tu dash, this is for series 1, that is 6, and the formula of tu dash is half into sum over j from 1 to s kj minus 1. So here s is equal to 2, that is series 1, or the 6, that is s is equal to 2, and k1, that means there are two ties, each of length is 6, that is k1 k2 equal to 6. So tu dash equal to half into 6 into 6 minus 1 plus 6 into 6 minus 1, that is equal to 30. Okay. So now tv dash equal to half into j from 1 to t kj dash minus 1, and since there are three ties, I already mentioned this when I compute Spearman rank correlation coefficient. Again, I tell this thing. If you look at series 2, there are three ties. First tie of length 3, that is 2 to 2. Second tie of length 2, that contains 6.5, 6.5. And the third tie length 2, which contains 9.5, 9.5. So k1 dash equal to 3, k2 dash is weight. So k1 dash is 3, k2 dash, this is 2, k3 dash, this is 2. So for this problem, tv dash equal to 1 by 2, 3 into 3 minus 1 plus 2 into 2 minus 1 plus for third tie 2 into 2 minus 1. So that is equal to 5. So now total score, I already got this value, that is 14. N is here 12. Total number of pairs, that is 12. So 12 into 12 minus 1, this is 11 by 2 minus TV dash, TU dash, that is 30 whole to the power half, and 12 into 12 minus 1, since n is 12, by 2 minus TB dash is 5 whole to the power half. So please tell me this value. Please tell me this value. Shayok says 30.5. Why Shayok? See, K 6 into 6 minus 1 is 30 plus 30, 6 into 6 minus again 30. So 30 plus 30, that is 60 divided by 2, that is 30. Shayok, please check. Oh, Shayok says 30 comma 5. Okay, thank you, Shayok. Yes, you are right. So now please tell me what is the value of tau. Just calculate this value. Total score is 14 and n is 12, that is 12 into 11 by 2 minus 30. So according to Shayok, this is 0.29, and according to my calculation, this is Shayok, and with my calculations I got this value 0.229. So please tell me. Okay, Orkoprov also quite close to us, that is Orkoprov and me almost same. Shayok, okay, there is some rounding error. Okay, so here again we conclude that this is not a strong good correlation between these two variables, but these two variables are positively associated. So this is for this problem. In that way you can compute Tyndall tau and Spearman rank correlation. Please tell me if you have a question. Okay, Pritam, please tell me, have you any question or queries? So after 5 minutes, I will be back with another video on, this is again a hand-on session based on correlation coefficient and linear regression. Okay, after 5 minutes. So I think you will receive the notifications. Okay, so please join at 7:30. Please join. Please join at 7:30 p.m. So I think it is a 6-minute break. 6-minute break. Okay. Thank you.